Thank you so much, Dr. Antonia. Dr. Vidal, you are the Dean of Online Education, Continuing Education, and Workforce Development. Um, so how have you seen the university that you work for or you work at? Is it a university of a four-year college? You know,
it's a four-year college.
Four-year college,
yes,
yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So how have you seen it evolve and its approach into, attracting international students, especially in your area? And because now, the telecommunication, IT department, cybersecurity is in such a high demand. Like Dr. Antonia was saying earlier, an online education which you chair will be an opportunity for people not to travel but still get an American degree. So how are you guys doing in your area to attract those students?